Yes. So first we discuss once again what is slope, dear students. Idea is there. I'm writing. So today concept is what? First try to slopes once again. So first of all, what is slope? Okay. For example, this is the x-axis, y-axis. For example, listen carefully. So this line makes some angle theta with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Is called inclination of the line. Yeah, first inclination we discussing inclination of the line. Right on all of you. Right on. The angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction is called its inclination. Okay. Now, what is the slope of the line? What is the another name? Anyone? That is gradient of the line. Slope. What is the another name for slope? Gradient. So here, suppose if theta is inclination of your line, suppose, then its slope is denoted by m. That is m is equal to tan theta. Dear students, here theta means 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than pi, 0 to 180 degrees. So example, I'm taking C. For example, this one makes some angle 45 degrees or 60 degrees, anything. For example. So means what is slope of the line here? Slope of the line, what is that? M is equal to tan 45 degrees. So how much 1? Example 2. 60 degrees. What is the meaning? Dear student, doubt is there? Send the chat box. The message. The slope of the line. So y m is equal to tan 60 degrees. That is how much? Root 3. Now, some results I'm giving. Examples. Note. The slope of the horizontal line is 0. Slope of the horizontal means what here? For example, y is equal to 2. The slope of this line is how much? 0. That is the meaning. That means case 1, subnote. What is the notice? Point number 2. Slope of x-axis. Simply you can say that slope of x-axis is what? Anyone? Is 0. That means slope of any line parallel to x-axis is also 0. 2. Dear students, suppose any line is parallel to y-axis, for example. So means what here? Some x is equal to 3, for example. Now, slope of the vertical line. What is that? Is not defined actually. Means undefined. So 1. For the case, slope of y-axis is undefined. Similarly, you can write slope of any line parallel to y-axis is also undefined. So examples, note. Example, suppose if x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 4, then what you can say from these two cases? See carefully. So one is some x is equal to 2. Another one is some y is equal to minus 4. Now angle between these two lines, how much? This is parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis. That means this side is how much? 90. Then these two lines are perpendicular to each other. This case, write down immediately. Now concept is how to find slope of the given line. Write down. I'm proceeding. After that, I will share the file. Don't worry. Now see. Generally, slope of a line passing through the points x1, y1, x2, y2. That is the heading. So how to find this one? Dear students, this is A x1, y1, B x2, y2. Clear? So what is the formula? That means what here A, B is a straight line. Okay, no? Passing through point. Let AB be a straight line. These 2 points. And theta be the, what is that? Inclination of the given line. Inclination of the line AB bar. Generally we are taking. Now, according to the definition, M is what? Tan theta. So what is the formula? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. If they are not giving theta, then how to find if you know these two lines? So ratio of difference of y coordinates and x coordinates, that is nothing but slope of the given line. So I'm giving one question, right? Generally, I'm taking one table C, just rough idea I'm giving. For example, this is theta. Then how to find slope of the line? Suppose the line makes some angle 0 degrees. What is slope? Anyone? Okay. So what is your answer? 0 means what is the slope of the given line? Anyone? Send the message. Tan 0. 0. Do you know how to use the chart box? Yeah. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. Tan 60? Root 3. Tan 120? Minus root 3. Tan 135? Minus 1. Tan 150? Minus 1 by root 3. So these values I think you know. So these are the slopes. Now, fine. Dear students, suppose A, B, C. What is the meaning? If the points A, B, C are collinear, then what is the meaning? Then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. That is the meaning. That means what here? This is M1, simply this is the M2. For example. So if M1 is equal to M2, then what you can say? Then A, B, C are collinear. Right on? I'll give an example. Last time we discussed number of methods. 3 points are collinear means how to prove their slopes are equal. Otherwise, their area of triangle APC is how much? 0. Discussed. Yes. Yes. Good. What about remaining? So I'm giving question. Tell me. Find the slope of the line. Line joining. Take the rub book or pen. Tell me. Write down. In the meanwhile, write the notes also. 5 comma minus 3 and 7 comma minus 4. What is the answer? What is the formula? If you know 2 points, what is the formula? See, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here this one x1 y1, x2 y2. Otherwise this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Can take it anywhere, but final answer is same. Yeah, minus 1 by correct. Good. So y2 minus 5, how much is coming? Minus 4 minus of minus 3 by 7 minus 5. So minus 1 by 7 minus 5 is how much? That is slope of the given line. So I'm giving one more question. Tell me. Yeah, correct. Minus 1 is correct. Good. Good response. After completing, tell me, I can proceed. Completed. Okay, I'm proceeding. No problem. Share the file. Don't worry. Just watch this one. Now see. Now one more question. Find K if slope of the line joining the points K comma 4 and minus 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. How to solve? Dear students, what is slope? How to find? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. How much? That is 1 by 2 is given. So as usual, x1 y1, x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 minus 2, formula minus 4 by minus 3 minus k is equal to 1 by k. So 6 by 3 plus k. Minus is cancelled. Yes, correct. No, check it once again. So what the result is coming? 12 is equal to 3 plus k. So answer is 9. Yeah, correct. The students are doing silly mistakes here only. Be careful. Okay, no, no. Right on. Okay. Fine. M. If the line passing through the points A 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma m plus 5 is perpendicular to the line passing through the points P minus 2 comma 3 and Q minus 4 minus 5. Solution C for the meaning. So one line segment is given like this. This is A, B, this is A. Another line segment is given P, Q. How are they? These two lines are perpendicular to each other. So what is the meaning? So two lines are perpendicular to each other means I will give concept later. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. First find out what is slope of PQ anyone? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope? Find out. Anyone? y2 means suppose this is x2 y2. Dear students, suppose x1 y1. So 3 minus of minus 5 by how much is coming? 8 by 2. Yeah. Slope of AB is how much? Please find out slope of AB. This is x1 some x2 y2. Take it anyway. x1 y1. What is the result? So m plus 8 by 3 minus 2 is 1. So answer is 3 m plus 8. Dear students, what is the answer? m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. That means m plus 8 into 4 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 4. Therefore, m is how much? Minus 32 means minus 33 by 4. That is the answer. So this model is very important. Right on. After completing, tell me, I can proceed. Shall I proceed? Slope of AB. They're asking m means here, this is the value of coordinate of BC. Here m is not a slope. The value of B coordinates of B. See carefully. Don't think here m is not a slope. It is a pi coordinates. Okay. Next one. Note, write down, note all of you. What is the note here? So two non-vertical lines, write down. Two non-vertical lines L1 and L2 are given with slopes M1 and M2 respectively. Okay. If L1 is parallel to L2, then what you can say? Then their slopes are equal. This is theta 2. Okay. So what is the meaning here? That is tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. So please remember this point here, students. 1. 2. If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then what is the meaning? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Please write down these points. So dear students, once again, concept is what here? Angle between two lines. This one makes some angle theta 1, dear students. This one makes some angle theta 2. X coordinates always perpendicular to each other. Now concept is what here? How to find this angle theta? That is the question. How? Anyone? Suppose ABC form a triangle. Concept is what here? If theta is acute angle between two lines, then tan theta is equal to modulus of M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2, where M1 M2 are slopes of the lines L1 and L2 respectively. So consider this is the L1 is equal to 0. This is L2 is equal. Now how to find the acute angle? Dear students, don't confuse here. This is theta means this is also theta. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is theta, what about this angle anyone? That is 180 minus theta. Why? Because linear pair angles. How? Now see, this one already know. What is the proof anyone? With the previous slide? Triangle ABC, what you are observing? Theta plus theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Fine. So theta is what, dear students? Theta 2 minus theta 1. Apply tan on both sides. Tan of A minus B. That's why I'm saying revise formulas. What is the formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So C is by 1 plus 5. In this case, theta is I'm taking modular acute angle means this is M2 minus M1 by theta is what? Acute angle. Right on. Question, see. So based on this one, what type of questions means we can expect based on this formula? Okay, right on. Find angle between two lines. X minus root 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and some x minus 2 is equal to 0. Anyone? X minus 2 maybe here confusing. Some x minus 2y is equal to 0. How to find? What to do? First of all, slope of x minus root 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is what? Slope of the line. How to find? M1 is equal to what? 1 by root 3. This one. Okay. First of all, how to find M1 now? Just a minute. I'll give some concept. Wait, I'm giving some questions. Just a minute. Yeah, fine. Just I'm erasing. Just a minute. So, what is the standard equation of the line? Equation of your line in general form. Equation of a line in general form. So, yani write down an equation of the form. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means what here? A must be not equal to 0 or b must be not equal to 0. Okay. Means what here? A and b are simultaneously not equal to 0. That's the meaning. Why? So in this case, if a is equal to 0, what is the result is coming? By plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of y? Constant. So which is anyone? Parallel to x-axis. That's the meaning. 1. If b is equal to 0, what you can say? Dear students, b is equal to 0 means what? Ax plus c is equal to 0 means x is nothing but minus c by a. So which is parallel to y-axis. Join the class immediately, okay? Now, suppose constant term is 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 simultaneously, not possible 0. Either this case or this case. Now this time I'm taking constant term is 0. Then Ax plus By is equal to 0. Which is passing through origin. Okay. These things already you know. Now, so what is the standard form? See, Ax plus By plus C is equal to 0 means how to write here? Generally comparing with y is equal to mx plus c format. Here m means slope of the line. C means y-intercept. So means what here? This line meets the y-axis. So this is called as what? C, intercept. Get your point here. This one is what here? Slope of the given line means m tan theta. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means convert into y is equal to mx plus c means how to write? By is equal to minus ax minus c. And what is the value of y? So minus a by b into x plus, compare this case, what is the m, anyone? So this is coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Here students, is small example I'm giving. What is that? Slope of the line 2x minus 3y plus 100 is equal to 0. How to find? M is equal to minus coefficient of x by how much? Y. So coefficient of x is how much from this case line, anyone? Tell me, what is the answer? Dear students, what is the answer from this line? Coefficient of x is how much? All of you. Okay, 2. Coefficient of y? So slope of this line is how much? Yes, correct. M is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Yeah, one more question. Find slope of the following lines. 1. Root 3x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 2. X minus 2y is equal to 0. 3. 1 minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Anyone? What is the first one answer? What is slope of the line? Root 3. See carefully. Minus a by b. Yeah. What is slope of this line? 1 by 2. This is how to find? X is equal to 1 by 2 means parallel to y-axis means what? Infinity slope is what? Infinity. So in this case, what is slope? 2. In this case, what is slope? 0. Yeah, correct. So slope of this line is how much? 0. Now we will discuss how to find angle between these two lines. Yeah. Right now, find angle between two lines. I'm choosing an easy question. Dear students, say x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Another one is root 3x minus y plus 100 is equal to 0. What is the procedure? Anyone? First of all, angle between these two lines is what the formula? Tell me. M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2. Clear? Dear students, what is slope of the given line? From the first equation. 1. What is the M2? That is root 3. Now please tell me what the answer is coming. M2 means root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3. That is the answer. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Anyone remembering this one? Yeah. If you are rationalizing this one, dear students, you can get Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is 2 minus root 3 is coming. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 2 minus root 3 means theta should be 15 degrees. Tan 45 minus 30, 60 minus 45 you can apply, you will get 15 degrees. Mr. Vice will give our notes. Correct. Right on? So same model I'm giving, just see. Let's share the file, don't worry. Question. I'm giving this example, easy example. Find angle between two lines. Some simple example I'm taking. From x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus y plus 20 is equal to 0. What is the answer? So slope of the line, first one is how much? Anyone? 1 by 2. Slope of the line 2x plus y plus 20 means is equal to 0. What is the M2? Anyone? Minus coefficient of x means how much? Yeah, minus 2. Yes, absolutely correct. Now, what is the formula? Tan theta is equal to, that is also not required. See, if you are observing anyone,